Every voyage is a story of resilience and trust. At Petrogulf Oil Manufacturing LLC, we fuel these journeys with precision-engineered lubricants, delivered to the most challenging locations across the globe. Entering an almost monopolized market of oil manufacturing in 2008 as a private player, Petrogulf demonstrated unparalleled grit and willpower to provide outstanding oils and services, carving a niche with its unwavering commitment to excellence.
We are not just a lubricant company, we are the partners in your progress. Our uniqueness lies in customized formulations, doing on-time deliveries, and tackling mid-sea challenging operations. That's the promise of Petrogulf.
The journey of marine lubricants doesn't end at the port. For vessels operating in remote waters, mid-sea deliveries are a lifeline, a critical operation where precision meets endurance.
I have navigated across Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. But mid-sea deliveries test everyone's of your skill and resilience. Imagine coordinating with another ship amidst a rough sea. Ensure the safety of your crew and guaranteeing that the lubricant arrives intact and on time.
Our lubricants are tailored for the toughest marine conditions, delivering up to 98% engine efficiency.
Marine operations are basically absolutely unforgiving, and the reason is we are forced to operate in adverse sea conditions, could be sub-zero temperatures, and of course the hardship of the people. So basically we at Petrogulf Marine focus on reducing the pressure for the people on board by providing them engineered technology so that it makes their life much easier and better.
At Petrogulf, innovation is more than a process, it's a mindset. Our R&D team pioneers products that redefine marine lubrication standards worldwide.
Petrogulf Marine, we are very advanced in developing products currently required kind of a product like environment friendly, sustainable products we are developing.
At the heart of our success is an unwavering focus on customer satisfaction, supported by transparent policies and dedicated service teams.
Our uniqueness lies in our end-to-end involvement. We deliver not just products, but also peace of mind. It is this personalized approach that we earn the trust and confidence of our clients worldwide.
We are not just responding to inquiries, but instead we're offering solutions and seamless communication throughout the process. That's how we make our customer feel valued and supported.
Operating sustainably isn't just a goal, it's our responsibility. At Petrogulf, we're committed to reducing emissions and innovating for a greener future.
We also more focused on decarbonization. We are aiming to introducing sustainable lubricants, environment-friendly fuels.
Our lubricants power vessels in every corner of the globe, ensuring reliable operations wherever the journey takes you.
When you are out in the open sea, the world feels fast. It is not just about the product, it is about trust, teamwork, and the assurance that you are never alone out there.
Petrogulf Oil Manufacturing LLC, bridging distances, powering progress, and delivering excellence, no matter the challenge.